All right, class, you can stop your Ed puzzle right there. Let's roast some marshmallows. It's my third time attempting it with this new torch. I didn't know these were so weak. Okay, so in my defense, it's not gonna look just like our video from yesterday, but it will present some similar properties. I did keep the receipt, so I could exchange this for the bigger ones. I actually have one of the bigger ones. I just can't find which box I put it in, and I would have to buy a new tank. This is nice and portable. I'm going off topic, but let's go ahead and roast this and see what does it take. What does it take for what's required of a roasted marshmallow? So I'm gonna go ahead and spark this, leave it like this. That's supposed to light. There we go. They really make this childproof. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and roast. I didn't expect it to roll away. So that's one of them. Let's do it again. Raise your hand if you smell roasted marshmallow. Smell it? Okay. So students in the front can smell it. And give it some time. Let the AC spread the odor. Now these are actually parts of a bigger marshmallow. I tried using the bigger marshmallow and it wouldn't change size. This is half of the big marshmallow. Actually looks like it's gonna tip over. The benefit of a little torch like this is that I can go upside down and right side up very easily. Okay, I think it's as good as it gets. Let this cool down. No, we're gonna tear it open. And if you do want a marshmallow to eat, I do have a bag of them, but not enough for everyone in the class for every class. So if you really are committed to eating one of these, just stop by after school and I'll hand one to you, okay? I do need a few more for next week because we're gonna actually add to this phenomenon a way to measure what does it require? What measurements are required to have a roasted marshmallow? So let's go ahead and now cut these open. I'm sorry if this was blocking anyone's view, but it is, it's for period 1. We really didn't get very far in the experiment because of certain technical difficulties. So we've got 3 marshmallows. Actually, now I can go, let's do this. All right, those who can't see, we'll do this. Aim that down. All right, so that's our first marshmallow. Okay, does that show? Is it melted? Is it burned in the middle or still unburned? It's unburned, right? Or you can say, all right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Is it burned? It looks like mozzarella, so not burned, unburned in the middle. And then you could tell right away this one, the back side did not get burned, but let's see the front side. Okay. Also unburned. So whatever, do you have a comment? So whatever the marshmallow is made of, it starts to change color when it's extremely hot, and it starts to change its texture. Because marshmallows are soft, like a pillow, it's very moldable, right? You can make this fit through a puzzle piece hole or something like that, puzzle block hole. You can tear it very easily, but this actually broke easily. It didn't tear easily. There's a difference. So there's a difference in the structure, difference in the color. Some of you noticed a difference in smell and temperature. Yes, of course it got hot because of the flame, but by itself, like this and its original state are completely transformed on the outside. And I want us to consider what's happening with the atoms when it does change complete forms. And your Ed puzzle is to help you focus on that particular property of matter. It's made of atoms, and you can actually count atoms. So next week, you're gonna take your model that you made this week, and you're gonna add concepts like how many atoms are in the large marshmallow or the quarter-sized marshmallow. How many atoms were in the air that were necessary to roast it? And then how many atoms do you end up with when you have the roasted marshmallow and the smoke? Some of you probably saw some smoke. So those are some concepts I want you to explore and be able to explain by June 9th, which is when this is the last day of school. So continue your Ed puzzles, learn about how to count atoms. After you're done, you're gonna do a project called 1 mole of my element. Each of you have been assigned an element from the periodic table, and you're going to do a very short Google slide description of it, and then we'll present them on Wednesday when I see you again. So do your Ed puzzle, and then you can start your project, and then present it.